Urban health, migration, and livelihood strategies in Johannesburg. As people continue to migrate across borders and internally to live in urban areas, there's natural population growth which increases population numbers in urban areas. In the Southern African and South African context, Gauteng province has the highest in-migration rates, and 60% of the population lives in urban areas. The majority of migrants in Southern Africa and in South Africa, similar to many other regions, move in search of improved opportunities, irrespective of inequalities in the province. Evidence shows that just as health shapes development, development shapes health. The conditions in which people live and work, including factors such as poverty, exclusion, inequality, social status, housing, and environment and political conditions, have a major impact on health and well-being. Based on the activities of the Migration and Health Project Southern Africa, which is aimed at exploring and evaluating ways to generate and communicate knowledge in order to improve responses to migration, health, and well-being in the SADC region, hosted a workshop on artisanal and small-scale mining. To address this livelihood strategy at the urban periphery of Johannesburg, topics which were addressed were the landscape, challenges, and opportunities of artisanal small-scale mining, health, safety, environmental impacts of artisanal and small-scale mining, and a discussion was held on ways forward in addressing the challenges faced at the urban periphery among workers in artisanal small-scale mining. Key outcomes were the challenges faced between large-scale mining and artisanal small-scale mining, and how to increase skills amongst artisanal small-scale miners. And lastly, it was evident that there needed to be a presence of artisanal small-scale miners in research so that they can clearly represent their lived experiences within this livelihood strategy.